So we're leading up to one of the most important parts in 2023 here for Bitcoin. We're having a really strong support level. We actually have a downtrend right now, but it could break through. We're looking at within 30 days, we will get our answer if it's gonna break through the downtrend, head for an uptrend, or if it's gonna fall flat, go through the support, and we're gonna see even lower lows. I'm gonna cover all of this here on the YouTube channel, so if you want to see all of this happen live, being tracked live, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm also doing a $100 trading channel in between all of these videos, where I take $100 and I trade it into as much money as possible over time, making the best possible trades that I can find. So make sure you subscribe for that as well. It's going to be really exciting to see how much money we can make starting from 100 bucks. Looking at Bitcoin, we have this downtrend here actually lasting for quite a while. We have also entered a confirmed downtrend on the daily time frame. Looking at shorter time frames, we're also in a downtrend. Now this is really important here, because coming up here you might see this and look that it's a normal regular downtrend about to break down or break up, but it's actually completely different this time. If we head over to Ethereum and look at the same thing here, we see the downtrend, but actually it's a shorter duration before we have the time to break down or break up here, and we're also sitting at a really important support level. Looking at Bitcoin, it's the $25,000 support level. It's something that has been here for a really long time. Scrolling back, it's been a support level so many times again. There's just so much money there. So if it breaks down, it's actually gonna free fall for quite a bit and probably just break straight through 20K all the way down to 15K. That is what it's looking like. The 15K support level is really strong. So that's probably where it's gonna stop. And that's kind of where I have my bets if it breaks down. So for Bitcoin, we're all looking at around 30 days at most. Normally it does not get all the way down to this corner here. So it's probably gonna break up or break down before that. Right now, it actually just got denied from breaking out. So it's not looking that strong. It did not even bounce above the downtrend. It just barely touched it. Looking at XRP as well, it's kind of interesting. This is looking completely different. We of course had the pump here from the legal battle. We entered a really strong uptrend, but that is of course because of the pump. It's actually a downtrend if we look at it carefully. We cannot always trust the trend indicators. So we look at this downtrend right here. It actually broke through this really sharp downtrend. This is not a real type of downtrend because this is from all the capital that was just shoved into XRP during all of this, during that pump. So the downtrend, it broke through, no problems. It did touch the support level, but just really quickly. No issues. This is also a support level that we have seen previously really far back, so it's probably pretty strong. And actually XRP from this is looking way more stable than both Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I believe from here, XRP is actually gonna recover. I think it's gonna go up from here. It's kind of getting denied right here, but it could actually break through any second now and actually head for an uptrend. So that is really exciting for all XRP holders. XRP could actually break into an uptrend from here. But if it gets denied, I think it's actually going to break out further down because this is not that strong of a downtrend. It's kind of the casual flow that they had before. And we can always see every try before that it tries to break down through the support level, it just bounces back up really quick. A lot of people love XRP, so that's probably why as well. But it's also gonna depend really heavily on Bitcoin. So if we look at the $100 challenge, I'm not gonna talk too much about it right now, but we are trading over here with the MEXC token on, the MEXC token. And right now it is in a confirmed downtrend. It tried to break through. It's kind of maybe making it, but it's not going to depend as much on Bitcoin because this is a token connected to an exchange. Right now it's in a downtrend. We have a short. We're up over 25% already. We're going to hold out, and probably the $2 support level is really strong. So most likely it's going to break out through this downtrend here. But the thing is with this trade is that the downtrend is really strong. So even if we get a small pump on Bitcoin, it's not going to get us out of our profits or hit the stop loss. Also, if it gets denied here and goes down and Bitcoin goes down as well, we are looking at a 100% plus profit trade. It's going to be absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna cover this live here while we are trading. I've also started a Telegram group linked down below. Basically show all the graphs and all the trades I make so you can track it there. Compare your own trades and do whatever you want with the information. But I wanted to start forming a community around trading because crypto right now is very different from before. We're in a bear market, so following new projects is kind of a good way to lose all of your money. Figuring out the trading in this bear market is way more important and will get you way more money. So that's what we're doing. Of course, we're gonna cover new projects as well when they get launched, and especially when we buy them for the uptrend for the next bull run. But right now, trading these downtrends and these swings in the market is really, really important to continually getting that cash flow so that we can buy more Bitcoin when the opportunity comes. So that's kind of my analysis. If you want to follow along and trade anything like this here, then I'll have links down below to the exchanges where I trade. We have the best deposit and sign up bonuses. We also have figured out what exchanges list the best projects as early as possible so you can get in on them before Binance listings and much more. But that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching as always. I hope you all make massive gains trading all of this here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.